awkward way to start the video, but we just dropped the CS off to get service, and we in the X5, right? She's talking about she want the X5 now, cause it's well, I kind of convinced her like, yeah, imagine driving this as a daily instead of the CS daily, cause that's gonna be like 800 horsepower and all that other stuff, aggression. Mind you, we live in Florida. Florida was just underwater 24 hours ago. We do not need that 24 hours. I think this is perfect.
I mean, I could put groceries, like a lot of groceries in the back.
Gross, that's the first thing you thought about was groceries?
Yeah. These windshield wipers stop working, I would...
I like the X5 though, but my personal opinion, I'd rather the X6, X6M. It's a little bit bigger, but for a female, this is perfect.
This is nice. Yeah, it's really nice, and I'm the first one to drive it.
X5, I feel like it still got a little plastic on it.
Why those two?
Don't be extra.
I'm not taking it off.
Why?
Why would I take it off?
I don't know. X5, but see, we're gonna make sure the CS is not broken. It started back again. Where we at?
We are in Doral. At a Carolina Ale House. Car meet. Bimmer Life?
Bimmer Life. I don't know what beat this is.
Shit, hold on. I'll tell you in a second.
All promo.
Free promo?
Free promo.
What I say, Lonnie?
I said the S word. Gotcha.
Miami Bimmer Club meet.
Miami Bimmer Club meet.
Yeah.
You got a page or something? You free promo?
No, what? I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Out of the whole meet, you gotta choose which one's your favorite car.
Ooh,
it can't be your car. It can't be your car.
Okay. The M2 is nice, but it's so tiny.
M2.
That's great. What's that gray one?
Which one? That's M3.
Why we parked saw a gold BMW.
Got a gold one? Let's go back and look at it.
Over here.
Why we didn't do that?
I'm not revving your car.
I mean, yeah, don't do
I'm not
that.
revving your car.
What do you think?
Yeah, so you gotta rotate.
The things that on the What's your favorite one?
Ours. That's me.
You said you can't pick ours.
Huh?
You said you can't pick ours.
For me?
Huh?
Who said I can't pick cars?
There's so many people over there. Yeah. Let's walk around. Go. There's some on the other side that we gotta see.
Or some.
Not because I was sending it. It's like there's someone kept sending
It's like, I like how that one's lower.
Which one?
Wow, look at the purple.
You just pointed in a broad direction. Which
Just
one?
figure it out. Figure it out. Which one is the one that looks aggressive?
Oh, that one.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
The M340. I think it's on bag.
340?
M340. What do you have against M340?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. A lot of numbers behind the M. That's
Oh god, here we go. Yeah, it's M340. It's nice though. It's on bag. It looks like it's on bag.
I love how low it is.
Did you say you want bags?
Hell no. I mean, at one point I did, but you can't race with those.
You can.
Yeah, then I'm gonna lose.
No.
Or you can pop them, right?
You can. You said you like M2s, right?
Now
No.
They're decent. They're not ugly.
It's that one.
Okay, let's go look at it. Come on, won't let me be great.
She won't let you be
She
great?
won't let me be great. Come on.
What you mean? Which one she want to see?
The gold one down here.
Oh. What's the gold one?
I can't see what it is.
No, I'm asking you.
I cannot see what it is.
You can't see from right here?
Literally no. That I cannot see.
It's this.
BMW?
But a two-door version.
Them four?
Yeah.
Oh. They parked on the line.
40 right now.
A real true BMW owner.
BMW driver.
Go ahead. Your car? Go ahead.
My car. I think
Go ahead. Okay. Go ahead, Lonnie. Go look. You said you liked that one.
I said I like that one. Ours.
You can't pick ours. You have to pick another one.
Mister.
No, you can't. So this one's your favorite. Mine is the M340.
You're trying to open the back.
No, he's not. He's just taking a picture. That's it.
You said that's it?
Yeah.
That's the only one you like?
Yeah. I mean, the Mercedes is nice.
Oh, now you a Benz person now? Oh, whoa. I didn't know you twisted the dark side.
No, baby girl. You can lean on it.
I didn't know you twisted the dark side.
I didn't.
I like that.
You just said you like Benz.
I didn't. I said that one is nice.
Which one? That one?
Yes.
What do you like about it?
The matte color.
That's the only thing you like about it? Not because it has a Mercedes logo?
Yeah. No, I like the matte. I like the matte black.
You know it's V8 too, right?
That's fine.
I'll put my phone in the car.
I thought it was Kalanda behind you. Look behind you.
Stop. That's that V8.
Well, I don't know.
Oh, you like
Sir,
that?
stop,
You
stop.
like that?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, you want to rev your car?
No, I never said that.
You want to
You
No.
want to rev it?
Nah, she's scared.
She's scared?
The picture you took.
Nah.
What did you say just now? Say that again.
I thought it was just black.
And red. Your
No.
seats are two-tone. Yes,
No,
they
they're
are.
not.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Hold on. These ones are what? White and black? White and black carbon. Let's go see what yours look like.
Mine is black.
And red.
Mine has red trimmings.
That's not the same thing? White
No,
with black
I'm talking
trimming?
You see how in the middle is black? And on the sides is gray?
No. What are you talking about?
No. It's white and black. Another beat by where you live.
It's white and black.
Yeah. I feel like mine is just all black with just the red trimmings. Like, it would be cool if mine was.
Never mind.
That was loud.
Like I was saying. You see how the inside of the middle is black? And then the outside is gray. I wish I had like black and red. Yeah, people got some loud ass cars. Mine's not that loud.
You don't feel like your car's loud?
No.
Okay.
No.
That's Drewski. That's cool.
I know
Bad stuff
I can't do Zolani
Bad
and Jace.
consequences. Good stuff equals good consequences. If you didn't try to stop my foot, that.
Look at the camera.
What I did is step on your foot. Yeah, but you tried. That's a bad consequence.
Okay, relax.
So there's a lever on the left hand side. Pull it twice. This one right here.
Twice?
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. You gotta pull it 1, 2. Now it's open. You gotta pull it straight up. And that's it.
And it stays up by itself.
You did what?
There's an air intake. I put it on by myself. Get them piece of shit's out of here, bro. Like, why is it so loud? Anyways, and didn't they say no revving at this event? It's so quiet.
Tesla.
Peace.
M4. I'm gonna get one.
Kicking in. You're walking so fast. I love it. I love the colors.
No, because it's you.
All right. Tell me about here, Jay. What do you see? Don't touch his hat.
Oh, I touched it.
Where's she going? Wait. Is there space? I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna climb. Hold on, hold on.
Input.
I know.
Ready?
It's not warmed up yet.
Not you knowing when it's warmed up or not.
50. Oh.
Huh?
Huh?
What did you say?
It's an order. And it wasn't enough money. I was like, I just put the money on the Apple Pay to do it. Then it's a tip, so I tip off.
Why you looking like that?
You like this one, so obviously you like that one.
For white?
Yeah.
I'm rapping it satin black regardless. I'm rapping it satin black regardless.
Literally.
Bro, no.
Satin black.
You're getting black and pink though. I'm going black or red.
Black with pink highlights. It's not like pink is gonna be everywhere.
They're gonna be red highlights. Like, you know Shadow from Sonic and the Hedgehog?
I'm sick. And when the shit gets locked down, now what? We've only been here for like 20 minutes.
Oh, is he bad? I can't even see what it is, but this shit big as hell.
That is a big one.
That's big. What is that though? That's X5?
No.
What is that?
What are we in? X5.
What's an X5?
X6 is bigger. Is it X7?
I don't know.
It might be an X7.
I know that's not an X6, but the
The X7 then.
that shit big as hell. I don't know what it is. It's D-bad, so I don't know.
I think